All right, so here's our problem. As you can see, this has all come apart. And I want to keep this drawer, and so I'm going to fix it. How am I going to do that? Well, the first thing we got to do is we're going to unhook these babies right here. And I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to use that baby there. And we're just going to take the front drawer off so that I can do a little fixing on this bad boy here. And so that's just going to take a couple seconds to do. Might speed this part up so you don't have to sucker through it. It might not. Oh, that thing was really long. And then there's these two big ones go into the into this part here. So you don't want to lose those. That's where those two go. They fit right into the they screw right through here and then go into this thing right here. Right, so we're gonna keep that stuff there. Got one more. All right, so this one's almost off. We got that off there. Making a video. All right, so what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do, is instead of trying to drill into this, I'm going to take a little piece of wood and set it right in here and come in this way and come in that way. I think that's what's going to work. So I'm just going to take my wood, I'm going to set it in here, and I'm going to go ahead and draw the lines here on both sides, so I can get it pretty good and straight. Now, I don't have to have it perfect, but I want to get it so it's about the same height as this. So if I have it just about the same height as this, that should be pretty good. All right, so I'm just going to use my little miter box just to get a good straight cut on it. And we want to have it right on the almost there. Okay, so that's that. Bam, done. All right, next we're going to drill some holes in here, and we're going to put this in there at the same time. We're going to clamp it down so that we can get the get a good catch on it, because that way it's going to keep this thing working good. So it's going to set like this. There, just like that. I'm going to screw on this side and this side, but we're going to drill holes, and maybe we'll even glue it too. We'll see. All right, we're going to put some clamps on it. Clamp it down nice and tight. Put one there, and I'm going to put one on top. Put this baby right here. And that's just gonna kind of hold it in there so that we can get our drill on it. And I want to get it tight like that. There you go. And we're just gonna go bam, bam, and bam, bam. And then we're gonna put a couple screws in there. That's our next move. All right, so we're gonna put two in here. I put one here. Okay, let's try her again. Try to get it in there. I think we may have gotten it pretty good. All right, let's get one up top here. A little bit closer. Good. Now we want to get one right here and one here. Let's see if you can see me doing it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this. All right, here we go. I should be able to get right on it right there. That should do it. And then I want to get right here. Let's see if I can get one right in there. Okay, I think we're good. All right, now we just got to get some screws. So let's go ahead and try that bad boy first. All right, so I'm going to put her down here so I can get some leverage on it. See if we can get this baby in there. Okay, cross your fingers. Yep, looks like we did it. So we've got 2 in, but this one here is way too big. So I've got to take this one out. So we're going to take that out. I got to find me a little bit smaller one. That's way too big. All right. Okay, so we got one that looks like it's going to be okay. So we're going to go ahead and put that baby in there. And that tightened it down nicely. All right, I think we're well on our way to having a good deal.
Honey, what the hell?
I'm fixing this. We got a little bit bigger drill hole, and we're going to put her right about here so we don't crack it. All right, that should do it.
How's that?
You're such a good helper.
Before you do that, can you unscrew this for me?
Where is it?
It's in there, the vacuum cleaner.
Okay. Just got to do this last screw. Let's see if we can get it in there without cracking it. It looks pretty good. We haven't got a crack yet. Cross your fingers. We're good. Bam, done. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you life hacks on fixing a drawer. I'm not done yet. I'm going to paint that and make it look better. But I got to go help her. All right, so you remember we got to put these in there, right? And then we got to reattach everything. So the first 2 screws right here, luckily we did not go to. They're going to go right into the door, which is over here. So I got to put this on. So what I want to do is I want to find those little itty bitty holes, and I've got to raise this up a little bit because it's those holes, you know, the door, because the front of this front of the drawer kind of sits out. So you've got to get it so that, there we go, so that you can find those little holes and just get them started. Get them started, and that'll kind of set you right there. And then what you want to do is you want to put these through too, and make sure that you're in the right. You put it on. It's upside down instead of upside down. You put it on right. So those are going to go through like that, and then they'll screw into the door, the thing itself. So let's go ahead and tighten that down. There we go. Okay, and then I got to put this on, remember? So I'm going to put that on up front. This is going to fit right on there like that, and I've got to screw it in from back here. So I'm going to let you observe my screw job. All right, so we're going to get this baby here. You know what? What do I? You know, I don't really need the giant thing. I'm just going to hand do it because these are a little delicate. I'm going to start that one and then start this one here. Let's see if you can see it from here. Screwing it in. Handles on this side. Just giving it a little tighten. Get one over here. Put it in there. and that tightens it right down. That's it. That's how you do it. I want to make sure that it's tight, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a twist here. And put a little muscle behind it. And when I'm holding the camera, it's kind of hard to get the muscle on it. But I think that's going to work. And I mean, it doesn't look great, but you know, if she wants to paint it or something, that she can. But hopefully it'll last, you know, that long enough. Right, so that's our job. We're stable, and you can still put shit in here. I mean, it's not the most beautiful job, but for a hack, let's hack it. Put this baby back in there. Goes in pretty simple. They got these little balls right there. They go right in that track, and you just kind of pick it up and slide it in. And as you can see, it fits perfect. Now we got a drawer that works. Not the prettiest one in the world, but who cares, right? Okay. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos where I do stuff I've never done before, but I try to figure it out. And if I can figure it out, you know what? So can you. All right, peace out.